wanna wear your snowsuit boogie pants? Come here. Just don't poop on it. Hey, Cassandra, come. Come on.
You gotta put your snowsuit on.
There's Cassandra Boogie.
There she is. There she is.
Hey,
Okay, wait. It's a snow day, baby girl. It's a snow day. I feel like we gotta go for a walk in the snow at some point today.
Let me see.
Come on, stand up.
All right, go ahead, go outside.
Come on, baby girl.
Go outside.
Go outside.
Come on, come on. It's so freaking cute.
Cassandra, split that out for now. You can't take that outside. You gotta go potty first.
Cassandra, come on, outside.
Take that bone out of your mouth. Give me the bone. Give me the hoof for now. Okay, come on, go potty. Come on, go potty. Are you all done? December 16th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. It started snowing like 3 a.m. and then it's not going to stop till tomorrow around noon. This is fun. I'd say we probably already have a few inches. It's a lot of fun walking in the woods when it's snowing like this. It's got that Narnia feel. You don't have to go poop? Okay. You wanna chew on your hoof? Okay. Get your little booties. Get this off. We should put her shoes on before she gets her feet all wet. Come on, sweetie. Go on inside. Come on, son. You gotta put your collar on. Okay, so the plan is to go for a walk while it's still daylight. We were going to decorate the tree when we woke up, but then just realized it's better to enjoy the snow while it's coming down and it's daylight. Once it gets dark and it's still snowing outside, it's not gonna be, the moon's not gonna come out tonight, so it's not gonna like get bright and be really pretty, go for a night walk. It's gonna be snowing all night, so we'll just decorate when it gets dark. I think that'll be the plan. We've been putting off just decorating for like a week now. I feel like we've had this tree a week now. It's just been sitting there in the... Anyway. Cassandra, we have to put your booties on.
Oh yeah. Now I have 2 socks. I should pee first then.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work to pee in the winter time.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of work. Not very fun when you have to pee in the winter time, that's for sure, especially if you're a lady.
We have to navigate along a busy street for a brief stint, so we always make it easy for the drivers to spot us. Sometimes we end up on forest trails. With hunters also sharing the land, it only makes sense to stay visible. We almost wore our life jackets and helmets, but thought that might be overkill.
I don't think it's that slippery. I don't think the sledding will be very good until maybe the snow melts a little bit. But it looks like we've got about, I don't know, how many?
5 inches.
Come on. Oh, we need her leash. Dang, that's in your car. Just forget the leash.
Wow, look at this on the first picture.
Good girl. Good job. You're getting used to it again. Come on, sweetie. We're gonna cross the street and then head for a road that's not very busy.
During our hike, Cassandra's doggy boots will pose a problem, and the solution we discovered made startling sense.
Well, hopefully her shoes stay on. If they don't, we're gonna have to buy shoes that are taller, which are starting to come out now. They weren't really available at first. I guess they started to realize that the short shoes don't stay on very long. And they collect a lot of snow right at her feet. Okay, the roads are pretty greasy. Ant's backtracking now. We already lost the booty. That doesn't take long. At least in the snow, you know where she walked. Yay, she found it. We'll put it on the other street where it's not busy.
That's why I didn't see it, because it was literally like
Under some snow?
covered by snow.
Covered by snow. Yep, we got to keep an eye on her feet often because they do fall off.
Having lived through a few blizzards in our time, this storm was hardly dandruff on the shoulder. But snow is snow, and a splendid first fall of the winter is finally here.
We decided to alternate her booties. Instead of having them all on at the same time, we're gonna like give her feet a break every now and again and put them back on. So right now she only has 3 on. I think that makes her feel a little bit more confident too when she has one that she can really dig in with.
This just seems slippery, but so far so good.
Yeah, just walk in the snow. At least this road is one way, so we don't have to worry about cars coming up behind us. But we're starting to realize quickly that investing in some kind of winter boots that are specifically for snow is going to be something that we'll have to do sooner than later.
Definitely number 1 on the list.
Number 1 on the list, yeah.
It just started and look, already we're having problems with what shoes to wear. And I like walking in the snow, but my shoes are not taking care of it.
Okay, we took her booties off. She didn't want to walk much further, and they collect snow inside of them, so they're no good. I figure she'll be more comfortable without the booties. We won't go too far. It's not very cold. When it gets down to single digits, she has a hard time walking on the ground. Yeah, so that's when the booties come in handy.
It's a little slick here, guys.
A little slick, but that's alright. Should be a good sledding hill right here.
I wish Beans and Greens has like a living room.
Her Swedish-made suit seems to be handling the snow very well. It's just deflecting it. Like ours is absolutely absorbing every bit of it. Carhartt does that. Well, we already knew that would happen, but at least we're warm.
My jacket.
Huh?
Even my jacket.
Oh yeah, even that jacket. Yeah.
That's the material we need for our winter coat.
Well, I do have snow pants for like you would wear for snowboarding or skiing.
Yeah.
That's what you have to invest in, are like snow pants and snow jackets that they use for skiing and snowboarding. They have all.
As far as we can tell, snow days will always fill us full of wonder. Just because it wasn't coming down sideways doesn't mean a cute hiccup in the sky like this can't wreak some havoc later. Which it does.
We're gonna stop at this sizable creek right over here. Oh, Cassandra's having a good time. She wants to run around. There's a creek right up here. We're gonna drop in and see what it looks like. Cassandra was just having a blast running up and down through here. Now I imagine there's some small brookies in this water. If you go down here a little bit further, there's an island. This creek, it like Y's off into an island and then it joins back together again.
Look how cool it is underneath. All the snow. Picture time.
Man, I can't believe how nice this material is. It's either made in Finland or Sweden. I'm pretty sure that's the Swedish flag. Where's that Swedish flag on your Fall Raven jacket?
It's on the side of it somewhere, I think.
Here it is, right here. That's blue and yellow. Yellow cross. So this is, yeah, so this is maybe Finland.
Oh, I see. It's different.
Yeah, that's my bad. So they make it in Finland. Same thing.
She loves her snowsuit. She looks like a snowsuit, I guess, but it doesn't penetrate me. She looks smart. She actually wants this one. I find her like this one.
Oh, wet though. We're probably not gonna last too much longer. This is just, can't get over how beautiful this is. Oh, I like to see her happy. She wasn't very happy with those booties on. And down there is where the island is. Whoa! Whoa. Of course I fell in the water. The shoelaces keep coming untied.
It felt like walking into a painting, with guardians of the forest anticipating our arrival.
There's a smell here that always smells like that.
What smell?
I don't know what it is. It's kind of like a candle.
That's the island. Okay, our feet aren't cold yet, so we're gonna continue up the road and maybe stop at the village store, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't really have walking boots on right now. I just have like work boots.
It's really not that cold.
No, it's not cold at all. I had to take my other hat off. Our suits are wet, but we're not like cold or anything.
Slippery in some spots. That's about it.
It's actually perfect for snowballs right now. It'd be great for making a snowman, actually. Cassandra's enjoying herself.
There's something about these conditions and not having obligations that made us want to keep wandering.
Gotta tighten up, you know.
Oh yeah.
Cross country ski, right?
Oh yeah, just slide along.
Sliding along.
I'm noticing that when we have the collar and the leash hooked up on her neck and not through the top of the jacket, we can't put the hoodie on her. But that's okay, I think she likes to be able to hear. We're doing it. This is it. You know, this is it now. We can cross country ski, we can snowmobile, we can snowshoe. I think snowshoe would be a little bit more of a hassle right now. Anyway, it's not too deep. If it was over a foot deep, I would say
Oh,
snowshoeing.
you mean right now? I thought you were talking about like winter.
Yeah, I'm talking about like right now. This is it. This is our time. We're living it, Cassandra.
Just use the trash bin lid to
As a sled.
sled down the hill. Flying over Lake Winnipesaukee.
I'll grease it up with some oil. That same creek we were in was right there. We were talking about how lovely these conditions are. It's not blizzard or anything like that. But if it keeps up like this, we're going to have to invest in snowsuits. Proper, like snowmobiling or ski suits. I'm assuming they're pretty much the same thing. Snowmobiling ones might be a little bit bigger, bulkier than what you would wear when you're skiing. I don't know, it's just all new to us, you know, we're not used to this much snow. If it keeps up like this, you know, if this becomes a foot and then we get snow again next week or something, then yeah. Okay, so we figured it out. We actually did what we were supposed to do, and we put the leash through the back of her suit here. I thought that it was too far back and that it would be choking her, but in fact, it's still up there. It's just the leash goes up there. So now her ears can be covered. I don't know if she'll like that, but we'll see. Good girl. Seems like she likes it. It's working. Doesn't feel like it's choking her, right?
Nope.
Nope.
If she pulls, she doesn't pull.
Yeah, it'll choke if she pulls. Luckily it's not too cold, so I think her body temperature is warm enough with the suit on that her extremities will be fine. Of course not her ears do get pretty cold, but I think her feet will be fine. She seems pretty comfortable. This is a sledding hill up here. Nobody's sledding yet. So it seems like they do more snowmobiling further north near Gorham where we were camping. That's where all the rentals are, and it's like guided tours that you have to take, which is fine. But around here, like it's cool how they have the tracks because you can ride your snowmobile from town to town, which is pretty cool. Just stop at a gas station when you need gas. Sounds like a lot of fun. I would like to do that, but with a group of friends. Oh yeah, we're supposed to go this way actually. Cassandra's pretending she's a fox. She's having a lot of fun. So the plan is we're gonna go up this sledding hill and then we're gonna go over the other side of the rock wall through a field, and then we'll be back on this road that we wanna, because the road is pretty slick. It'd be kind of hard to operate up that road, and I think it'll be easier just to go up this sledding hill. The road we have to go down there and then up that way. It's actually like one of the more steeper roads around here. So we're just gonna go up the sledding hill. I think the best part about this whole winter excursion is we get to go home, heat up some hot chocolate, and decorate the Christmas tree. Of course, after that, we have to watch something Christmassy. What you barking at, Cassandra? You got a deer in there, maybe? This is the workout we were needing. They even made a mound of dirt at the end there recently. It's a mound of mulch, actually, or a barrier. Keep you from getting run over by a car. I'm guessing this section is for the children. And then this section up here, which is about the same distance, this is probably halfway up the field. That'll probably be more for the experienced professionals. Downhill skiers and such, they can stop here because they're pretty good at that. So I guess they didn't need a barrier. They'll just fly through the fence. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to cross over those rocks and then we'll be back on the road. She's having a good old time. That is a grand oak tree right there. Let's go this way. Gotta go over the rock wall. Was the scarf a little bit much? Too hot. Put some ice in your mouth.
Why are you feeling your neck?
Sometimes you just have to take your hat off. Still feeling pretty good. I mean, I'm not like cold or anything, but I think it's just about at freezing. There's a little bison. We got ourselves a little bison there. She's trudging through it. Yeah.
When you live in hill country, you learn to spot necessities.
That's the perfect hill for sledding, this farm has. This road's not very well maintained, but I don't think anybody's using it. This is a great hill right here. But they're also pretty close to that downhill skiing slope right there. Oh no.
Yeah, so the color's going to be
150. We probably left around 1 o'clock. 12:30. Oh, okay. It's never a proper snow day until your feet are completely numb by the time you get home. And we're feeling pretty good so far. No, we look a little wet. Cassandra just wants to keep going. Snow days are the best exercise days, especially if you're sledding. Sledding is quite laborious, actually. That's why it's so thrilling when you go down the hill. I think mostly it's thrilling because you could possibly die. Somebody's using a snowblower over at the church. Cassandra, get over here. What are you doing trespassing? Don't fall in. This little part of our town has got the true spirit of New England. It just feels like a Norman Rockwell painting. We already have a snowman. We're gonna have to start getting more than one tree. They have 2 trees. Good girl, be nice. Be nice, good girl. Be nice, good girl, softly. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, you're doing a good job. Oh, they have the flag down. I know. That's an actual fire pit, isn't it? Hey, buddy. You're being a good girl. It is, isn't it? It's like a big fire pit. You wanna go play? Go play. Nice. Oh, she just blew her leg right over that.
She's having a hard time with her jacket. So
Oh, she seems all right. She's doing pretty good.
she was around this way.
This isn't the Huntington Dog Beach on the coast of California, but it will certainly do.
She wrecked into that again. Good girl. Aww. The dog's owner is just like talking on her watch. Yeah, if they get too hot, they just lay down. She doesn't seem like she's slowed down at all by this suit. Yeah. You guys gonna run around? You tired? You tired? Run for it! Go, 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 go! Yeah. Yo, we can make a huge snowman here.
Oh, you got me, babe. That was close. Oh! Ah! Good girl! Babe, no, listen at you. You're cheating.
I don't know if that was even on camera when I got you. Tosh and Clover. Clover's the golden. Cassandra, Cassandra, be nice.
Cassandra, that's Tosh. She's a sweetheart.
Be nice, sweetie. Be nice.
And your shoes on.
Alright, over
Ed, that Jim told me and I
Well,
couldn't
let's see.
understand his numbers.
Well, when you go and buy it, talk to the guy. When you're looking for a light viscosity, you don't want the heavy oil. Use that in the summer.
I'd rather use
Be nice,
strong
sweetie.
oil than burn
Be
up
nice.
the engine.
That's a good
Be
idea.
nice to the girl, okay? Be the girl.
Okay, we're going. Come on. Tosh. Tosh, come on.
Come on, sweetie.
Nice meeting you guys.
It was very nice meeting you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, so you can park
We're
with
always,
them.
we're always in the, we're always in the field.
We're always out.
The sun was exhausted and ready to settle in for the evening, so it was time for us to walk back to the cottage.
Cassandra just had a really good workout and she played with Clover for a while. And then when Tosh came by with Jim, guy from Scotland, but he's been living here for... Jim and Kim. Jim's from Scotland and he plays electric bagpipes all over the state. Well, he used to, but now he just plays locally. And Kim's a retired teacher. Jim came here from Scotland, but he said he lived in Canada also. So he's been here at one of those houses near the park for 30, almost 35 years. Come on, sweetie. I know you're not liking it in your eyes. Are you pretty tired now after playing? That was great. What a wonderful experience for her. She got to play with some dogs. She never really gets to play with any dogs. And they were both females. Come on, sweetie. You're doing good. Come on, we're going home. Getting cold now or wet, it might be going through that silver lining.
I know. That's what I'm thinking. It doesn't last. It's not
Yeah, I'm pretty warm. I'm feeling great though. I gotta tie my shoe again. Cassandra, stay. And behind you. Car. Stay here, sweetie. Looks like a good 8 inches. Oh, that was the old couple that went by us earlier. Come on, sweetheart. Your hoodie's falling down. It's the hoodie spirit. The hoodie spirit. Come on, get it over here. Cassandra, come. Cassandra, get over here. Get over here. Come. Come on. You smell the chickens? They have chickens. This way, sweetheart. We're gonna go down this way. That's where we went before. This way, come on. Yeah. It's a pretty good snowstorm, I'm not gonna lie. Not disappointed at all. We're doing it just a little bit further. I don't know how many miles we walked, but I thought we walked a few miles, that's for sure. Not stopping. Probably get a foot. We walked what, you say, 2 miles? 3, 4 miles?
Maybe 5 miles.
5 miles? Wow.
In the snow.
I'm impressed. I can't wait to see what her jacket is like on the inside. I'm hoping the silver lining will prevent any of the water from coming in there, but we'll see. Well, we made it back safely. The snow didn't let up at all, did it? House looks pretty green around the snow. There she is. She's happy to be home. Good girl. Oh man, I'm sweating.
Oh man. Woo-wee.
Ooh, doggy. Wow. Get off that bed.
Cassandra, Cassandra, come. What's taking you so long?
Listen, come here. Please take that off. Come. Oh, wow. It's dry.
Is it? Nice.
Yeah, she's dry. This is nice. It was pretty well. Hey, you feel better? Did you make some friends?
With winter on its first lap, we're excited for more days like these. Days full of curiosity, which seem to be the best for your body.
It's hot.